like a little love, but a sign to get a little messed up, picking up the rules before the chimes, making up minds and making it last us, cause we live alone, and now we're grown, and we know what we're after, and we'll